Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. And if you saw my card from yesterday, you'd see that I had an extra piece of black left over. And so I wanted to make this really cute card. And I'm going to be using the Celebration. And I'm going to be using this little guy here. And then this, You Can Do Anything. This is going to be so quick, so easy, really quick card. And let me go ahead. Well, maybe not so quick because this is the first time I'm going to be using this one. So let me get these out. And again, these are the new ones, so the cling is going to be really, really sticky. And rather than wasting your time on that, I'm going to go ahead and get this card together without using the cling. Well, let me see. It does stick, but not super. So let's go ahead. Stick this guy on here. And then you just take this off. So I guess you're getting a little tutorial of how to put these onto your stamp, right? So we're going to put that on there. We are going to get one of our cards here. And again, we're looking for quick and easy. So I'm going to get out my Memento black ink there. This really is my favorite black ink. And I'm going to stick this guy right here in the corner. And then we'll clean this off real quick here. And I'm just going to use some baby wipes because I have misplaced my cleaner. I'm sure I'll find it. I think I stuck it in with my stamps as I was putting all my stamps away. So I'm just going to clean that off so I can put it back away. If I do not put it away, then I end up losing parts. So now I'm going to put this guy here. And I'll tell you, while I'm putting this on here, I'm going to make this card, you guys, for Tony. And I already know he's going to be watching it. But I'm okay with that because, you guys, he learned how to ride the unicycle in just weeks. Not years, not months, weeks. And I just thought that that was amazing. So I'm going to use this little stamp as well. We're just going to put it right here up in the corner. And it says, "You Can Do Anything." I'm going to put it right here. There we go. So we now have that stamp saying you can do anything. Put this away. It just amazes me that he was able to learn how to ride the unicycle, and it was for his show. And so when I went to his show, there he was riding across the stage in his unicycle. So that was really cool. So we've got that down. I'm now going to just take this black, basic black Stampin' Write marker, make sure that it works, and I'm going to kind of just go like that and make some squiggly lines. Like that. And just like that. So we've got a card there, riding the unicycle. I'm going to take my Stampin' Blends, and we're just going to color this little guy in. I think it's going to be a very green looking frog there. And very easily. And this will go through the back. Because it is alcohol marker, it will go through the back. So you don't want to just use it as, you know, on just white. You want to have something that's going to have that background. And we're just going to go through here. Go for his eyes there. And, I mean, these can be so fast and so easy. And this is a celebration set. So, you guys, this month is the last month to get the celebration set, where you're going to get it for free. This is the old olive. I'm going to use some of the old olive here. I think I'm going to use the lighter. It's not much lighter. And then I'm just going to kind of blend it a little bit with this other green on top of it. There we go. Okay. Super cute. I'm going to go in with this little guy and give him a wheel. Well, let's see here. Give him a seat. And then a wheel. So this one's a little bit wanting to stay in the lines there. So just going around, taking my time because I do want it to not lose the shape of the wheel, making sure that it does look like a wheel and not losing anything, because it's hard when you're coloring with black. And then I'm going to go in here with the little bits. There we go. How cute is that? I think we'll go around here as well. So there he is. And then I'm going to take just some the edge here, and I'm just going to give it a couple little dots here and there, just to give it some dimension. And you can go on the inside as well. And I'm thinking that this is almost done. Very cute there. And now we're just going to add this to our black. Get my bone folder. And then for the inside, we can put some of those, where'd my stamp set go? Here we go. You can add some of these little flies or Hoppy for you. Anything you want to do here is be really cute. So I love that set. Unfortunately, they had some dies that went with it, and those have sold out so quickly. So for those of us who didn't get on it right away, we will be fussy cutting those little bad boys. And so I'm just going to use my Tombow adhesive for the inside there. So it's just the Tombow glue, multi-purpose. Stick that right on the inside. Close that down. And we're going to, let me burnish this down just a little bit more. There we go. And then for this one, we will take just my snail adhesive for this one. And we're going to just put it right across here. Quick and easy. Let me show you how easy it is to trade this guy out. I'm just going to toss that one away. You're learning things today. You're learning things today. Take this little piece out and pop this right in. So if you run out, it's very easy to get the refill going. And there we go. We're good to go again. I'm going to stick this right on here. Give it a nice little black background. Now, I have these little eyes here. So I'm going to take my pick a tool. I'm going to give him some little squiggly eyes. And these little squiggly eyes, I just bought them at Walmart. So, there we go. How cute is that little card? Those little squiggly eyes. I love it. Really basic. Really easy. And it is good to go. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. And if you do purchase anything, if you order less than $150, please use my host code. And this is it here for the month of March. All right, beauties. You have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!